First of all, I would just like to welcome everybody here this morning and thank you for being here. It is incredibly rewarding to serve a community of people that show up to something like this. I mean, we have city council members, we have our mayor, we have a number of Lake City's chamber. We've got vendor partners, one that came all the way from Atlanta. We really appreciate it. This is a special award, and again, we just appreciate y'all being here.
The Platinum Award, Prestige Dealer Award, is a top-tier global award. And if any team can do this, it's the Huffines team, right? It's a special team that works together consistently every day. This recognizes us on a daily effort of connecting the customer to the dealership. Not because we have to, but because we actually enjoy it. We love to do it. It's the Huffines way, and we'll do it again. Thank you.
I have the pleasure of presenting this award. It's very difficult to receive. It's called the Platinum Prestige Dealer Award. But only 3 dealers in this region, we have 113 dealers receive this award. And it's based upon a number of metrics. One of those is customer service. This organization does a fantastic job taking care of the customers in service and also in the sales process. And in the world, only 30 dealers received this award. So it's hard to get this thing. And we normally get a couple per year. So for Ray and his team to get this is quite a feat. Congratulations, Ray. Appreciate all that you do.
Thank you very much.
Okay. There you go.
We appreciate you, Scott, and the Kia team. We represent multiple different franchises. None of them are more supportive, more in line with us than Kia, and we really appreciate that. We're thankful for our community. I mean, we're in a great area. Community support from all of our chambers. Everybody, the city of Corinth, have just been so supportive and just helped us to become who we are. And ultimately, it's our team also. Obviously, our people that serve our customers every day. They do such a great job, and this is just a tribute to them and the teamwork attitude, just their caring for our customers and for each other. It's a great culture, and it's because of our team members that make it that way. So I just want to say thank you to everyone, and thank you, Scott and Kia, for this award.